Hey there, today let's talk about the latest feature that WhatsApp recently added to enable users to smoothly and easily manage the storage space that WhatsApp is using on your smartphone. WhatsApp happens to be one of the largest applications on every mobile phone that consumes the highest space. As you can see, I have about 1.7 gigabytes that WhatsApp has taken up from my total storage. Now, I've actually deleted something before. It was 2 point something gig, right? So that was why WhatsApp had to add this feature to help its users to manage their storage. Now, if you watch the space, if you watch the screen, you will see the chats that I've had with people and also the media that I've exchanged with people that have made those chats to be so large, right? I just deleted a chat that I've had with someone that had consumed over 1 gigabyte of my storage because of the files, media files that was being sent from that person or from me to that person, right? So these are actually things that consume your space on WhatsApp. Now, with this new feature, you can easily manage your storage. Now, WhatsApp made it such that you can also sort the media files, so you know the ones from old, right? The oldest files on your phone or the oldest files you've received via WhatsApp, so you can find them easily and delete them. So now you can easily sort the items, find the items, select them and delete them. Either you're deleting everything or you can just delete the ones that you do not need any longer. The second new feature of WhatsApp is the disappearing message. Now, this disappearing messages actually is useful when you do not want to always keep chats piling up on your WhatsApp. So disappearing messages deletes the chats you've had with someone when you turn on disappearing message on that person's contact. So after 7 days of having that conversation, WhatsApp automatically clears off that chat. Now, I would say this is important for some of us that are always having a chat with people that they are meeting for the first time, maybe just some passerby contacts you did not save, right? And you really don't want to, keep the conversations there. Just for the sake of saving up storage for yourself, it is wise you use the disappearing message so WhatsApp can help you automatically clear off those chats. This is really an awesome feature you should try out.